Hey, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I was just talking on a news segment about how to get your wardrobe ready for spring and do a little change out. One thing we talked about was swimsuits. So I've got a little show and tell basket here today. This is a bin from the Container Store. Obviously, if you're using this, you'd take the label off, right? But of course we want to label our swimsuits. But one thing that we did, since swimsuits tend to get thrown about, we lose the top or the bottom, we just took a simple letter bag and we have organized the swimsuits into the bag by color. So that's a really easy way to keep everything together and handy, and then you can just stack it in your bin. I like to put this on the back side, I'll show you here in a second, so that it looks like this, and then you can just set it on your shelf in your closet. It's a great way to store your swimsuits. You know exactly where they are, and you can grab them and go hit your favorite pool. So let me know if you try out this organizing in your closet, and I would just love to hear about your experience. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll see you next time for this week's Just the Tip.